Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica, and for today's video I'm going to be participating in the Family Traditions and Tablescape 2019 collaboration. This collab is hosted by Diva Design on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. I will leave all the information in the description box below so that you can check out the playlist and see all of the wonderful things that the other participants have published. We do have quite a few family traditions in our home, so I'm just going to share a couple with you. My first one is my absolute favorite. This family tradition I started almost 20 years ago when my oldest daughter was just a toddler, and that is stringing popcorn. We typically do this right after Thanksgiving, and that way my out-of-town family guests can participate and we have a load of fun. We have food and popcorn and hot chocolate, and we have movies playing or music playing in the background to add to the festivities. My second favorite family tradition that we have is that the children decorate the tree. I'm not sure exactly when this tradition started, probably when my oldest was between 8 and 10 years old. By that time we had 2 children and they wanted to decorate the tree, and so my job was just to put together the little artificial tree we had and string the lights on, and then I would sit back and they would decorate the entire tree. They would use a little step stool ladder, and they would even decorate the top of the tree and everything. In recent years, we've been calling this tree the children's tree because it has all of their special ornaments that they've collected over the years, and they decorate the tree pretty much all by themselves. I still do put it up, and I still am the one who strings the lights, but everything else that goes on the tree is what the children put on and where the children put it on the tree. My third favorite tradition that we've had in our home for Christmas is baking cookies. Lots and lots of Christmas cookies. When my children were small, they really enjoyed cutting out sugar cookies and decorating them with sprinkles and all kinds of things. Over the years, it was quite common for us to send boxes of cookies for gifts for relatives. My fourth favorite family tradition for Christmas is setting up the trains. I've always loved trains, and we have a model train club near us that puts on a wonderful Christmas production. They open up an entire building that's just full of model trains, and you can walk through, and it's free. My fifth favorite Christmas tradition we just started a few years ago, and that's ice skating. A couple years ago, there was an indoor ice skating rink built about an hour from us, and so I decided that we were going to start a new family tradition. In the week before Christmas, when I have extended family in town staying with us, we all take a trip to the ice skating rink. Anyone who doesn't actually want to ice skate can sit very snugly in a viewing area that has a nice big window and a nice view of the entire rink, and then all the rest of us who like to ice skate will go out and have fun falling and slipping and goofing off on the ice. As I said, we do have quite a few family traditions, and those are just a couple that I wanted to share with you. And since the name of this collab is the Family Traditions and Tablescape collab, I am going to show you my very simple tablescape. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of new video uploads. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.